Yeah, he kind of popped her. Oh, yeah. Should we do one all the way through?
Push him over.
Alright. Leland, come up. Go start over by Mac. Start over by Mac. Ready? On the count of 3. Come on over. See? You and Mac. Ready? Run at me. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Leland. Leland.
They need your help, Lee.
Come on. Keep pushing, Mac. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. You did it. Wow. Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Do it again?
It was a super loopy day.
Yeah, do it. Bouncing right out. Yeah, you guys were super duper strong that time. Teamwork.
Teamwork. Let's do it again.